Welcome to Waterfront Adventures. My name's Captain Paul. I'm here with the man, the Gator man, Glenn Wilsey. Glenn, tell us about, we know all about the manatee experience and getting in the water, but are there other ways to go and see the manatees here with Waterfront Adventures?
Yeah, we do an eco tour where we just go out on the bay. We're going to ride around completely around the bay, and that's going to give you a better chance of seeing where they like to go to, because they're going to go to the grass. And if you know where the salad bars are, that's where you find your manatees, so that's pretty cool. Plus, we're going to talk about the animals that we might see. There's a lot of different kinds of animals on the bay. You never know what's going to pop up. Gator might pop up, and then we'll have a little talk about that also. But it's all about the bay, a little history on everything, and it's really a cool tour.
Yeah, I heard somebody say something about Elvis Presley may have visited here.
He did. He was over at the Port Hotel for about 40 days. He stayed there while he was making a movie. He got all kinds of really cool pictures on the wall, him skiing on the bay and all of that, so really, really cool. There's a lot of history on that. There's a couple shacks out there that we call cracker shacks, and Babe Ruth actually stayed there.
Wow.
They were built in the late 1800s, so a lot of different famous people have stayed there.
That's great.
It's really interesting.
Guys, if you want to come and enjoy the eco tour or a sunset cruise or learn more about Kings Bay and see our beautiful manatees, come visit us at swimmingwiththemanatees.com.